Hey guys, here's what we're doing. For all you boaters, what do you do in the wintertime when you're up in Illinois and the weather's just terrible? You can't do anything with your boat. Well, what we're going to do today is we've got a hole in our dinghy we're going to fix. You can see the hole right here behind me, right here. See the hole? A mouse got at this one, did a hole. We went to fill it up in the spring and no good. So we didn't use it for the year. Now we're catching up on projects and let's look at how to do this. We got a nice kit. We got it on Amazon. You can use the link to get to Amazon to see it. It's all good, and let's get to it and let's fix our dinghy. So things you're gonna need for working on your dinghy: make sure you got your paper towels to clean up any drippage. You need something to clean the surface. In our case, we got isopropyl alcohol. Wipe this area down. We've got our kit. Kit should have in it some type of rubber patch. Hopefully the color is reasonably close like this. Alright, we're going to put that on there. Alright, going to use that. In this kit, a lot of things come, a lot of different parts come in here. The other thing that comes in here is a solvent for bonding. And right on here it tells you what to do. Spread adhesive 2 times both sides of the PVC. Allow drying 5 to 10 minutes. Now, one of the things we have to be careful here is we can't have this touch the other side, so we're going to be able to stretch it like this to make it work. That's important. The other thing we're going to have is rubber gloves so that we don't get this stuff all over us. So let's get started on this. So one of the first things we're going to do is rough this up with some sandpaper. And we're going to take the patch, we're going to rough that up a little bit too. Alright, so we got both of them done. Now what we need to do, I'm going to put on our gloves here. One size fits all. And get a little piece of paper towel loose. Fold it up nicely. Get a little bit of this alcohol on here. Just like this. Let's see how that alcohol's on there. We're going to wipe this down. And wipe our patch too. We can take another paper towel and we can wipe this down like this. Alright, now you can see that this patch, we can roll out some paper towel. There's our patch. Roll out a little more paper towel in case we got to wipe some running here, alright? Now, I'm going to follow the instructions on here. Basically it says that we need to spread adhesive 2 times on both pieces. So you open this up, cap punctures it. Boom. And you have to put some on here. Alright. It says do it 2 times. So we're going to put it on here. And we put some more up here. Here we're going to make sure we got plenty around the hole. And you got to come back down here and put another coat. I'm going to come up here and put another coat. And See how that is? A little extra on here. When you seal this, make sure it's up. Squeeze it till it comes up. Put the lid on. Any air will make it hard. So looks like we got this covered pretty well. Gonna look where that's gonna go, right there. And we're gonna push this on here like that. We are going to pull this down and push this tight. And you see how we're pushing this in all the way here. Once again, we got to be really careful here not to have it touch the far inside. You can see the hole is fit. Hey, we're patched. I mean, that's on there good and smooth. So guys, here's where we're at. It's been 5-10 minutes now, just like the instructions tell you. Our dinghy's patched. As you can see, we got a patch on here, right here. You got a patch. So let's fill her up and see if it holds any air. Okay. All right. So got our pump. We're all ready to go here. Let's see what we can do. We got her hooked up here. You can see how that kind of goes in there, snaps in. Let's pump her up. Go. You can see where we're patched here. All right, guys. Now you know how to repair your dinghy yourself. Don't spend a lot of money at the marina. Buy the kit. It's $10 to $20. Hey, if you don't get it right the first time, you peel it off. You can do it again. So don't forget, like and subscribe here. You'll see more of my how-tos, boats, automotive, that sort of thing, woodworking projects. Take a look at the link below for Amazon where you get your patch kits. It's cheap, easy, comes to you quick in the mail. Best of luck fixing up your dinghy. Thanks for watching.